Hello everyone, it's me again from Abi-InsuranceBroker. I want to take some time today to share a reflection on my business so far this year. When I look back, one thing stands out. Almost all the insurance I've sold has been travel insurance, especially for people bringing their loved ones to Canada. Whether it's parents coming on a SuperVisa, relatives visiting, or international students arriving, travel insurance has been the top request. But this raised an important question for me. Why is travel insurance the main type of coverage people are coming to me for? Why aren't more people asking about life, health, critical illness, or investment-related insurance? That's what I want to unpack in this video. First, let's talk about why travel insurance is so popular right now. Over the last couple of years, more and more families are reuniting in Canada. Parents are coming to visit their children and grandchildren. SuperVisa applications are increasing, and students are traveling here for education. Naturally, Canadian immigration rules require health insurance for visitors, especially for SuperVisa holders. So when a family member decides to bring their mom, dad, or another relative over, the very first question that comes up is, do they have insurance? That's where I come in. Travel insurance is also straightforward. It has a clear purpose. It covers unexpected medical emergencies while in Canada. It's affordable compared to other insurance products, and people understand right away why they need it. This urgency and clarity make it easy for clients to take action immediately. In short, the demand is high, the process is clear, and the need is urgent. Which is why travel insurance has dominated my business this year. But on the other hand, I know that many families, individuals, and professionals here in Canada need more than just travel insurance. So why aren't they reaching out for those other products like life insurance, disability, critical illness, health and dental, or group benefits? I've identified a few possible reasons. Awareness gap. Many people simply don't know what's available to them. They've heard of life insurance, but they may not know the difference between term, whole life, or universal life. They may not understand how critical illness insurance works, or how disability insurance can protect their income. Perception of cost. Some people assume that insurance beyond travel is expensive, even without checking. Travel insurance costs maybe a few $100s for the year, while life or health insurance can feel like a long-term commitment. This perception keeps people from even starting the conversation. Timing and priorities. Travel insurance is linked to an event. Someone is coming to Canada soon. Life insurance and other products don't have that kind of deadline. People feel they can delay even though we all know life is unpredictable. Fear of being declined. Some individuals, especially those with health conditions, worry they won't qualify. Instead of exploring their options, they avoid the topic altogether. Cultural mindset. In many communities, including ours, conversations about death, illness, or financial protection aren't always easy. Some people avoid it because it feels uncomfortable, even though preparing is an act of love for family. Now, let's talk about why this matters. Travel insurance is important, but it only protects the visitors for the short term. Once they go back home, that coverage ends. But what about you, the person living and working here in Canada? If something happens to you, an accident, an illness, or even an untimely death, what protections are in place for your family? Without proper life, health, or disability insurance, families can face financial struggles. Kids' education plans may be disrupted, mortgages can become unaffordable, and loved ones may be left unprotected. By focusing only on travel insurance, people are covering their guests but forgetting to cover themselves. And I believe part of my job is to remind everyone of the bigger picture, protecting your own household first. So, moving forward, my mission is not just to help families with travel insurance, though I'll continue to do that gladly, but also to raise more awareness about the other solutions available. Here's how I plan to do that. Education first. Reshare more simple, easy to understand breakdowns of different insurance options. What is life insurance? How does critical illness work? What's the real cost of disability insurance? My goal is to remove the confusion. Community conversations. Whether through videos like this, workshops, or one-on-one chats, I want to create safe spaces to talk about money, protection, and family planning without judgment. Customized solutions. Many people don't realize that insurance can be tailored to their budget. You don't have to start big, you can start small and build up over time. Addressing fear. For those worried about being declined, I can guide you through alternative solutions and help you find the best possible coverage. There are often more options than people expect. So, yes, this year so far, my business has mostly been about travel insurance, especially for families and friends visiting Canada. And that's wonderful, because it means people are reuniting and protecting their loved ones during their stay. But I also want to challenge us, as a community, to look deeper. Let's not only protect our visitors, let's protect ourselves, our spouses, our children, and our future. If you've been putting off life insurance, health coverage, or any other form of protection, now is the best time to start the conversation. I'd love to help you explore your options, answer your questions, and build a plan that truly fits your needs. Visit me at Abi-InsuranceBroker.com or reach out directly. Let's protect not just the people visiting us, but also ourselves and the ones we love.